Have you ever wondered why some moms seem to have an endless milk supply while others struggle to produce enough? Are you one of those new moms asking yourself,
why is not my milk coming in as quickly as I expected?
oh,
What can I do to boost my milk production fast?
well, you are in the right place. Today, you are going to learn about a simple yet very powerful trick that pediatric nurses use to help moms boost their milk supply as quickly as possible. It's not a magic pill or fancy gadget, but a method backed by research and experience that can make a real difference in your breastfeeding journey. I am Falmata, a registered pediatric nurse with 3 years experience working in special baby care unit. I started content creation as a complete beginner, aiming to educate women about maternal and child health, including labor, postpartum care, breastfeeding, and many more. Let me tell you a story about one of my patients, a new mom named Amina. Amina was so excited to start breastfeeding, but after a few days, she started to worry because her milk supply was not coming in as quickly as she had hoped. She wanted to be able to exclusively breastfeed her baby, but she was feeling overwhelmed and frustrated. So she reached out to me and I shared a simple trick with her that worked wonders. Skin to skin contact is a game changer. When you hold your baby against your chest, it stimulates the release of hormones like oxytocin, which help your body produce more milk. It's an easy, natural way to boost milk supply, and you can do it anytime, anywhere. The more you breastfeed your baby, the more milk your body will produce. It's all about supply and demand. If you feel like your milk supply is low, try breastfeeding your baby more often, even if it's just for comfort or to encourage sucking. Your body will respond by increasing milk production. The third one is hydration and nutrition. Staying hydrated and well nourished is key to maintaining a healthy milk supply. Pediatric nurses always emphasize the importance of drinking plenty of water and eating balanced diet. Foods like oats, garlic, fenugreek are often recommended to help boost milk production as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure you check out my next video, breastfeeding by his formula, which one is best for new mom baby. It's packed with information to help you make the best decision for your little one's nutrition. Before we wrap up, I have a free ebook for you. 3 mistakes every new mom makes. Is packed with tips to help you through your breastfeeding journey. Just click the link in the description below to get your own copy. If you are looking for more personalized support, I offer online consultation where we can dive deeper into breastfeeding struggle you are facing. Also, don't forget to check out my online baby care product designed to make your life as a new mom little easier.